This video will go over shipouts. Start by clicking on the tab here that says Ship Out, and you'll be brought to this screen. Click New Ship Out up here, and this page will pop up. Here is where you'll either select or search for an existing business who needs the ship out form. You can also add a new business here if you need to. The drop-down here at the top is where you can select if it's an individual person or a business that you are creating. I will be creating a business. Down here at the bottom where it says dealer type is another drop-down where you can select one of 3 different dealer types. Each dealer type will designate a different level of pricing that the customer will receive. Once you're done filling this out, click Save. You'll be brought to the Buyers and Sellers tab, so click on Ship Out again, and then on New Ship Out. The new business that you added should be here to create the ship out form. Select the business, and you'll be brought to this screen. Here, you'll need to input the driver information, such as carrier and the driver's name. When you're done adding the information, click Save, and you'll be brought to this page, where you can select the materials that you're sending out. Once you've added everything that you're sending, click on Save. A ship out report will come up, and if you need to, you can print out a copy here, or just click on X. After that, you'll be brought back to the main page, but now you'll see the new bill of lading that has been made here at the top. Edit will allow you to go back and add or remove materials to be shipped. Delete will permanently delete the ship out. Show is where you'll be able to see a copy of the bill of lading. This page will come up, but you'll need to click on Print here. It'll bring up a copy of the bill of lading. From here is where you can make copies of it to give to the driver so that they can get it signed. Or if you need to, you can email the bill of lading as needed. And that is how you create a ship out.